No, I don't think I have.
We are getting ready to board the flight back to El Paso.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Southwest Airlines Flight 1483, service to El Paso. Continuing service on to Los Angeles and Oakland over at gate number 5. My name's Kevin. I'll be taking your boarding cards in groups of A, B, and C. Right now, those of you holding boarding group A boarding cards only, if you'll please stand. Line up in numerical order according to that position number found in the center of your boarding card. Use those numbers on the post to help guide you. 1 through 30 passengers lining up in numerical order to your left of the numbered boarding posts. 31 through 60 passengers in numerical order to your right of those same numbered boarding posts. Also at this time, folks, I'll ask any pre-board passengers to make their way to the front of the boarding area. So those of you with a pre-board authorization slip or sleeve, and children ages 5 to 11 traveling by themselves. Welcome aboard. And while we wait for a little room to open up in the hallway, folks, we'll move on to our family boarding process. Any adults traveling with children 4 years of age or under that are holding B or C boarding cards, join me at the front of the boarding area this time for family boarding. B boarding group, if you haven't done so already, you're invited to line up, same fashion as the A group did, numerical order by your position number, 1 through 30 to your left, 31 through 60 to your right of the boarding post.
Are we still doing formal attire stuff?
What?
Are we still doing formal attire stuff like once a week?
I'm going to encourage we do a little more.
We'll do once a month.
It's once a month now, yeah.
So,
It wasn't ever once a week.
hey, I'm also
Once a week.
I'm down, actually.
Well, why not?
I've got some great shirts now.
I'm thinking Korea on Saturday, by the way.
Really?
Because I'm bringing up this, we can get those guys ready, right?
Yeah, most of them will do it the night.
Korea on the night out.
No, I'm just saying other people will do it the night.
Well, that's what I mean.
They'll do midnight dinner.
Angeles, Oakland, B1 through 30, come on down.
He's like,
I just didn't say
I just like when you start off like, no, I'm supposed to drink. Yeah, right.
What are you taking it up?
Just the boarding process. Yeah.
And then you want to just quit on our ride?
We're not going there. We don't know
But we avoid, we go to LA. We avoid